Hi guys, in this video I'm going to evaluate these two positions, these two drinks. First is Coca-Cola, second it's Pepsi. You know, now I'm located in St. Petersburg, Russia. We have like something embargo of these goods, but still we break the laws, guys. We will evaluate these two drinks for three characteristics. First is gases, second design, and third taste. You know, we have the other importance of characteristics. You know that like gases it's more important, taste it's the most important, and design it's important too, but still taste is more taste is the major characteristic. And now we start. First of all, I start to evaluate the design. First of all will be Coca-Cola. You know, yeah guys, we're still here. Design. Better video, yeah? It's iPhone 16, not my mother's phone. I think I will do video from this phone. It's better. Yeah, we start from design. First design, Coca-Cola. I think it's a really good color. Red with white. White is like symbolize peace. You know, red is more about war. But still, I think that it's really good for drink, for all these like brands to be so. I don't know how to say, like so. Be aggressive, you know, aggressive marketing. It's really good, yeah. Obviously, it's color of Santa. You know, everybody saw this advertisement. Everybody. Yeah. However, I think that every colors of this like bottles red, it's not so good. I think it would be better if they like mix with other colors, maybe collaborations. Or maybe in our country only red. I don't know, because legally it's they shouldn't be here now, but still they're here. This bottle not from this bottle from I say 1 second. This bottle from Iraq, yeah. Pepsi. I really like blue. Really like blue. Because it's like dark blue. It's one of my like favorite colors, and I really feel the like this color like with my like symbolize sea, clean skies, all this. Yeah, we have three colors here: red, blue, white and black. 4 colors. I can't. Yeah. I think that the big problem on this that this blue. I think it should be more light. You know. Yeah. My favorite color is dark blue, but still I think that for drinks, for this like designs, it's better to be more light. You know, because we can see that this. More light, more aggressive. This still, and if we use like other side, you know, maybe just these two colors, we can see that red is really more aggressive, more interesting. And in these characteristics, I think Cola win. One point to Cola. Next, gases. Yeah, we start. Second, guys. Yeah. Second. We start. now we will see gases. How much I will taste and say to you. Yeah. You hear? I forgot. This Pepsi from This Pepsi from I will say to you. This Pepsi from Georgia. Iraq, Georgia. Gases. Now I taste and say about gases. Just gases, not taste. Yeah. How I understood how my are this enough gases, just when you drink, just hear how much gases you have in your mouth. Cola have more gases. Has more gases, yeah, it's true. Much more. Really more gases. Yeah. Gases 1 point cola. And taste. This tastes more like something not just sweet, but more something more, just another, it had another component. I don't know what this component, but still it remember me just, when you eat tablets, not tablets, like syrup, or from the when you and you have special syrup. It's remind me this, but not so aggressive syrup, just slow syrup, but still remind cola. Sweet, enough sweet. I like so sweet. Last taste. Other taste, less syrup вкус, less syrup taste, more sweety. But it depends to what country, because you know that Coca-Cola in different countries have other amount of sweet in the bottle, and we should complain Pepsi and Cola from different countries, Georgia, Iraq, it's other regions on the planet, and I think that it can be it depends more from the what region, however, that which drink. For me, cola, guys. Cola, enough sweet, but not too much. Don't have a big taste after you already drink, you have the second taste, I call it. Not so much this second taste, and I think in this challenge cola win. Cola really win. But my recommendation, guys, not to drink cola and Pepsi. I prefer to drink water or tea. tea because it's really more healthy for you. Be sportive. Sport. Bye guys.